welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is a fun one. We are going to be talking all holiday gift sets here from Ofra Cosmetics. I am partnering with them on today's video to share this Cranberry holiday look with you guys and also share some of their new holiday sets that are available now on Ofra's website. I can't wait to share this look with you guys, so why don't we go ahead and get it. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready for all things holiday myself. I am so excited to have Ofra sponsoring today's video. I am going to share with you this cranberry eye look that you are seeing right now, and I'm also going to share with you some of their new holiday gift sets. I have quite a few different gift sets to share with you, 4 of them to be exact, and I'm going to show you guys the value of each one of these sets and then also talk you through each one of the products. I'm going to swatch everything, and I'm just really excited to dive into these kits. I think they are a great value, and I love that Ofra puts together these holiday kits every single year because I am a fan of minis. I've talked to you guys about it a lot, and there are quite a few mini bundles here that I can't wait to share with you guys. If you are looking to gift someone something this holiday season, gift sets are a great way to do that. I absolutely love receiving gift sets, and I also love gifting them as well because I feel like it's a great way for someone to try out a brand and kind of get a feel for them, but also obviously the packaging is special, and there's something about a gift set during holiday season, especially makeup, is just something I love to gift to myself. So I am an affiliate with Ofra, which means I do have a coupon code, so I wanted to mention that before I get started showing you this look, that anything you buy off of Ofra's website, you can use my coupon code MakeupMolly. It will get you 20% off. So you can use that on these holiday sets or any other item on Ofra's website. So definitely go ahead and take advantage of that code so you can get an additional discount for your holiday shopping. But why don't we go ahead and dive into each one of the bundles, and I'll show you how I got this look. So to first start out the look, I'm going to go ahead and take the River Bronzer. This is a bronzer duo in collaboration with Samantha March, and I'm going to go ahead and mix the 2 bronzers. I love both of these, but together I feel like they're just even prettier. They have like a subtle sheen to them. So I'm just going to quickly bronze up my face just to add a little bit of life back into it. Okay, so now that we're bronzed, I'm going to move on to this bundle kit right here, and I'm going to do the eye. So we're going to be using the Symphony palette in here. This one is called the Symphony Holiday Set. So you get this gorgeous eyeshadow palette, which we are going to use to create a nice like cranberry eye. So this is the Symphony bundle, and inside of here you get the Symphony eyeshadow palette, which is so pretty. I love the tones in here. Again, perfect for cranberry eye, which is what we're going to be doing. So I wanted to swatch this entire bundle for you. So here are swatches. So again, this is the Symphony palette, and then it also comes with 2 lip products. So you get the liquid lipstick here in Pasadena, which is one of my favorite shades, and then you also get the Blissful lip gloss, which is one of my favorite formulas of lip gloss here. Really nice. All of them complement each other really well, and you get all 3 of those. Now that I've showed you swatches, I'm going to go ahead and dive into the eyeshadow palette. So I did apply a little bit of an eye base, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here in the palette first, and I'm going to pick this up on a fluffy brush and work the shade into my crease. Shadows are going to be nice and pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, but they are still easy to blend, so you don't have to do a lot of work with the shadows. I cannot wait to start decorating for the holidays. I am so excited. I always get so excited to decorate every year, but this year I feel like having Rowan just makes it 10 times more exciting because I'm getting to experience everything like through his eyes. Like I can't wait to see him with the tree this year and like see what he thinks about it all, and I'm just curious to see if he's going to be like tearing at the ornaments, how we're going to do that. Let me know what you guys do with your kids with like how to save the tree from getting destroyed, because I already see him like grabbing the ornaments off and stuff. I know he's gonna do it. Next I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm going to take the same brush and I'm just gonna sweep this also into my crease here just to deepen it up a bit. But yeah, I can easily see him just going to town, taking off the ornaments, throwing them, breaking them. So I'm trying to figure out a way to figure out what to do as far as avoiding that. So I was thinking about gating it off, but I don't know because I feel like it's not going to look as pretty, but we'll have to wait and see. Maybe he won't touch it, but I'm going to assume he's going to. But I'm just excited to see him kind of his reaction to it, and you know, he's getting more into like opening presents and stuff, so I feel like always like that's going to be fun as well. So I'm just excited to see him experience really his first Christmas because he was so young last year. He was born December 1st, so he was so young like during Christmas that obviously he doesn't, not that he'll remember it this year either, but I feel like it'll be a little bit more fun at least for me, like watching him. Okay, so there is that shade all blended out. Even these two together, like a matte look like this, I think it's so pretty. But now I'm gonna deepen it up even more. I'm gonna grab this shade right here. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of a dense brush. And I'm just gonna focus this shade here on the outer portion of the lid so that it kind of has the most drama here at the end, and then slowly work it in. So really just building it up here on the outer corner, just so we get a nice gradient here. I love cranberry eyes, especially for this time of year. I feel like it's just my favorite type of look to do. So still just building it up over here. We are gonna add the shimmer next, which is so beautiful. What I love about these signature palettes is that you have the highlight shade that you can use on your lid, but you can also use it on your face if you want to. This is the shade Blissful. So it's just a regular highlight formula, so you can actually use it on the face. So it's kind of like you're getting a 2-in-1 product because you're getting an eyeshadow palette, but you're also getting a highlight shade. I'm just gonna go back into our first brush here and just kind of clean up these edges here, make sure everything is blended. So I'm actually just gonna take the Shimmer Blissful, and I'm gonna take this actually on my finger and apply this to the front portion of my lid. And how pretty is that? I told you guys, like, so gorgeous as a highlight and also obviously as an eyeshadow. And I'm kind of just placing this all over the lid, just everywhere but the outer edge. I love applying these with my finger as well. I just feel like they give the most sparkle that way. Now for lower lash line, I'm gonna go into that first shade we went into and just sweep this across my lower lash, kind of smoke it out a bit on the bottom. All right, so here are my eyes all completed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara really quickly, and then I'm gonna show you guys some other bundle sets. So back after mascara, I'm going to show you the next set right here. We're going to apply some blush together. So this one here is called the Fresh Start Mini Set. I absolutely love minis, you guys. I talk about it all the time. Minis are like my thing. I hardly ever go through full-size products, so getting minis is like the best thing to me. And also I love getting sets like this because I feel like you get to try a little bit of everything. So inside of here you have the Bellini blush, which is so pretty. You also have the Aspen liquid lipstick, and then also the Santa Ana long-lasting liquid lipstick as well. So let me go ahead and show you this bundle, and then we're going to try out the blush. I have already used this one before. It is super pretty, but I love that we got it in a little mini. So cute. Look at the little lipsticks. So here is the Bellini blush. I'll go ahead and swatch it so you can see as well. It has a nice like peachy undertone to it. Here is what it looks like, but it still will look really natural on the skin, which is why I appreciate it's a matte formula. And then here are the two liquid lipsticks. Again, so cute and little and mini. So this is the Santa Ana, and I'll show you that one first. And then I'll go ahead and swatch the other one so you can see what Aspen looks like as well. So here are the swatches of this bundle right here. So you have the Bellini blush and then both of your liquid lipsticks right there. So I'm going to apply the Bellini blush right now so you can see what that one looks like. I'm also going to put the Aspen liquid lipstick on as well. And so I'm just going to take my brush in here. And this is mini, but it's not too mini to where you can't fit like a full-size brush in there, which I appreciate because sometimes when products are like too mini, you know, you can't fit your brush in there, but this one is like the perfect size for that. So as you can see, we're just adding a nice blush to our cheeks, and I'm kind of just applying it right to the apples here. And if you haven't tried Ofra's liquid lipsticks, they are like one of my absolute favorite formulas. They're so comfortable and they last like all day on your lips. You don't have to worry about, they're like a liquid lipstick that actually stays. Like you don't have to worry about, you know, eating, drinking, like they're gonna stay on. I say this with all of my liquid lipsticks, but this formula in particular, I feel like less is more. I only go in with one swipe. So even this mini is gonna last you a long time. I go in with just one. I don't like double dip or anything. One application will be enough for your entire lip, and this will really help it last if you just have like a small layer of it and not like over apply it, because I feel like with liquid lipstick less is more. So a thin layer will actually last the best that I've noticed. So here is Aspen on the lips. I love that, especially with this eye look. And then I want to show you guys the next bundle, so we can apply some glow. This one here is called the Glow Through It mini set. So you have a Rodeo Drive highlight, which is one of my favorite highlights from Ofra, and then we also have the Bare lip gloss in here, which again, one of my favorites. Okay, so here is what Rodeo Drive looks like. This is one of their most beloved highlights, and this is one of actually my favorite highlights in my collection. If you haven't tried this one, it's like a beaming highlight. Look at how bright that is. Like, you are going to glow in this. And then Bear is a really nice chocolatey lip gloss. I feel like it's gonna look so pretty on top of Aspen. Here is what Bear looks like. And again, their lip gloss formula is very pigmented. It goes on smooth. It's not like thick on the lips or anything. It's a really nice formula. So I'm gonna actually apply Bear right over top of Aspen so I can show you guys how nice they pair together. See how like juicy that just made my lips look? That's why I like this formula so much. It's so shiny. And it pairs really nicely with the liquid lipsticks. Like, they play really nice together. So because lip gloss isn't going to be long wearing, when this fades, you're still going to have your liquid lipstick there. So it's kind of a nice little combination. Okay, and now we're going to glow. I'm going to go ahead and apply Rodeo Drive. And I'm just going to take a fan brush here and apply this to the high points of my cheeks. You see what I mean? Like, it is a beaming highlight. A little bit goes a long way with this one for sure. I'm going to put some on my nose as well. You can see how blinding, like when I turn, it's just like, hello, glow. It's such a healthy glow too. Like, it's the most beautiful highlight ever. It's like literally my favorite in my collection. The last set that I want to show you is their Flexi Slick set. And if you haven't tried this formula, it's a very interesting formula. It's almost like a hybrid in a way, because it's a gloss, but it has like the lasting power of like a liquid lipstick, and it has the pigmentation of a liquid lipstick, but it doesn't like dry down. It's a very cool formula. It's very nice, and these are just like your perfect holiday colors if you ask me. So this first one here is called Velvet, and this one is going to be a really beautiful purple shade, and you can kind of tell in the swatch of it. Like, it has a sheen to it, but it still like has, you can tell it's very pigmented, but this lasts really long on the lips, like a long time. And then we also have this one here, which is called Spark, which is a really pretty red. This one would be perfect for any holiday event. So there is that one right there. And then I love that they included also a nude in here, and this one is called Smooth. And here is what Smooth looks like. So you can see right there. So there's a swatch of all three of those. I kind of want to put a little bit of Smooth just on over top. I know that this is like not the way you're supposed to do it. Lip gloss on top of lip gloss on top of lip gloss, but why not? So here is our final look. Cranberry eye with a neutral, fun, glossy lip. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the Ofra holiday bundles. I know I got to share quite a few with you, and I'm excited about that. They have even more to offer on their website, so make sure to head to Ofra and check those all out. Make sure to use my coupon code as well. It's going to save you an additional 20% off, so Makeup Molly is the code. I will have it all down for you guys down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this festive holiday look, and also seeing some of these Ofra holiday bundles. Again, thank you Ofra so much for sponsoring today's video. I had such a blast working with you guys on this one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!